Task number 6, lab work incident response, is part of the incident response fundamentals room inside cybersecurity 101 learning path. Is the practicals part of this room? Okay, let's go. Answer the question below. What was the name of the malicious email sender? Older, yesterday, and today. Maintenance. Join us for team building. Jeff Johnson. We have to send this one and just check out this PDF. Malware detection on the host. Take actions. Here we see the environment. Host with this file. So we have already 2 in quarantine. And this one is under investigation. Actually, we have to take action for these, are not quarantined. Okay. Then we have to investigate this guy. We isolate the host. View the process timeline. We open Explorer. We then open Chrome. We just remember that we don't like Explorer. We open Chrome. We download the file. We open the PDF. And then after we open the PDF, 2 processes were executed. PowerShell, in PowerShell, and then the malicious DNS query. We finished the case. We copied this, probably for the last one. Restart. Jeffy. What was the threat vector? Well, malicious file. Let me see. Email attachment, we see it over here. How many devices? 3 devices. How many devices executed the file? Well, this one. State executed, which is 1. And then after we quarantine and investigate, isolate, and view the timeline, we see the flag. For task number 7, the conclusion, basically what we learned on this room, and especially if you want to develop further information, just visit SANS and NIST. That will be very helpful. And we finished this module. Let's see what will wait for us next. Logs fundamentals, awesome. See you then.